These are bad. What the heck are these? It's like stale coffee.
Have some more. Or maybe,
Oh, thank you.
Or maybe skunk?
Oh. Bad.
Here.
Where are those?
This is a good one.
What was that?
What does that taste like?
Wait a minute.
Toothpaste?
Wait a minute. Toothpaste.
Here, try a white one.
What was that? Like coffee or something?
No. No, these are the
Weird flavored ones?
Yeah. What does that one taste like? A baby wipe?
No. Baby what?
Baby powder?
I'm the director for a program for adults with disabilities. All the people in our program, they're really proud of me no matter what.
Oh, take a picture. Cotton candy maybe?
Does it taste like cotton candy? It's baby powder.
Baby powder?
How about this one?
That wasn't that bad.
Well, what's that one taste like? That one's vomit. No, I think that's earwax. Oh, no, Dad, the one before that was
Earwax!
The one before that was toenail clippings.
What?
He's looking at the back.
Toenail clipping? Gotta be joking.
Have some more.
Oh.
No. There's sort of not. Some of them are and some of them aren't.
Make you like barf or something? Toenail
These two.
clippings?
These two are pear and raspberry.
Yeah, right.
Alright, eat them.
What the hell is that?
What does it taste like?
Oh. Oh!
It's the first thing Dad's ever smelled.
That's bad.
What was it?
I have no idea, but
What was
it's
it? I
bad.
don't know, it was red. What was it? What did it taste like? Boogers?
Oh!
Was it green? No, it's red. Have the green one.
That's bad.
Hey, say the green one.
Like a rotten pickle or something.
How's the green one?
That was not bad. He's gone. That one's not bad. That's some sort of fruit.
The green was a fruit?
But that red one.
I wonder what that red one was. That was booger, Dad. The green one was booger.
Oh, sometimes boogers are okay.
Oh! You know what you haven't tried yet? These three.
Why did you get so many
These
of
are
those
really
trees?
good. Those are actually really good. I've tried them.
This one looks like the same as this one.
No, this one is honey. That one's honey, lemon, and then honey, lemon, and chocolate.
That's not honey.
What is it?
That's not honey. Some weird flavors. What the heck is that?
Beeswax.
Beeswax.
Earwax.
Oh. Oh.
It's not actually earwax. Or maybe...
Oh, that's the same one. Ugh. People actually buy those?
Yeah, we bought them.
Oh! What is that?
No, skunk is black.
That one's black.
Brown.
That was brown.
What'd that taste like?
Like a rotten piece of cake or something like that. Oh, what? Yuck. Oh,
I wish we knew what those flavors were.
I don't know. They're bad. I'm not having any more, so I'm done.
Try the black
Just
one.
taste this
Let
one
me
more
have
time.
something good.
One more.
I already had that one.
No, you didn't.
It's white. I already had it.
No, wait. Don't
And
eat
you're
it.
too loud.
Wait a second.
You're too loud.
The
Eat
white
3
one
of
is
them at
popcorn.
once.
No, I'm having one.
Think of baby powder.
Baby white?
No, that's actually good.
Let me have it.
Are we eating the white one?
Baby powder. That's baby powder.
Well, then I like baby powder. This is not bad.
Oh.
Tastes a little bit like coconut. Kind of tastes a little bit like
That was a good one.
kind of tastes a little bit like coconut.
Oh.
Look, Jill's hiding from you. It wasn't that bad. We had one in the store.
Very good.
I was full though.
Very good.
Sit down and breathe. You're
No,
okay.
no, I'm gonna throw up.
Well,
Piece
are
of
you
pear.
really gonna throw up? Uh-oh. He's throwing up.
I hope not. It's not that bad.
Are you okay, Adam? Oh boy.
Cinnamon. Delicious.
Wait.
That's not that bad. I had two of them.
Goofing with you.
Why are you sitting right over there?
I want to see if he's okay.
Oh, God, everywhere. I'm sorry, Bob.
Mike, go help him. It's okay.
He's the one who ate it. He knew exactly what it was. That was not that bad.
Oh, wow. Mike, I can't clean that up. You're going to have to help him in there. Mike, it's all over his pants and his socks and everything. Could you please,
What?
please help him?
No way.
Yes, it's on everything. Please go help him.
What the heck did he eat it for then?
Just do it, please.
I'm not
help
gonna
him.
clean up puke.
Why?
He ain't going no puke.
Just do it. Help him. He's got it all over his clothes. Or if I go in there, there'll be two of us vomiting. He's got it on his socks and his shorts, and all over the toilet.
Why did you throw up? That was not that bad. No, it wasn't.